In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell shares from a pie in Trading 212. If you're looking to adjust your investment portfolio or simply cash in on your investments, selling a pie using Trading 212 is a straightforward process. Let's explore how to do it efficiently. To start, open your Trading 212 app on your device. Once you're in, navigate over to your pies section. This is where you'll find all your investment pies neatly organized. If you're new to Trading 212, pies are essentially a way to group multiple stocks together in a customizable portfolio, making it easier to manage your investments. Now, carefully select the specific pie you wish to sell from your portfolio. It's crucial to verify that you're choosing the correct pie, especially if you have multiple ones, to avoid any unintended transactions. Once you've selected your pie, look for the option labeled Withdraw. Tapping on Withdraw is your gateway to selling shares from the pie. Essentially, withdrawing money from the pie transfers the equivalent value of shares back into your main balance. This is how the selling process works within the app. Next, you'll need to decide the amount you want to withdraw. Whether you're selling a portion or the entire pie, enter the specific amount that suits your financial goals. It's important to have a clear understanding of your investment strategy when deciding how much to sell. After entering the withdrawal amount, you'll encounter options such as self-balancing or custom. The self-balancing option automatically adjusts the sale to maintain the current allocation of the pie. This is useful if you want to keep the same investment proportions. The custom option, on the other hand, allows you to manually choose how to distribute the sale across different stocks within the pie. Choose the option that aligns best with your strategy. Once you've made your choice, tap Next. The app will prompt you to review the transaction details. Take a moment to ensure everything looks correct. Confirming this transaction is a crucial step, as it finalizes the sale. Finally, tap Confirm. With this, the amount you withdrew will be moved to your main balance, completing the sale process. It's always a good idea to check your main balance afterward to ensure the transaction was successful and that the funds are available for you to use or withdraw. And that's how you sell a pie on Trading 212. With these steps, you can easily manage your investments and adjust your portfolio as needed. Whether you're withdrawing profits or reallocating assets, Trading 212 provides a user-friendly platform to help you achieve your financial goals.